Okay, welcome back. If you recall, I just finished creating a table called sales records in my company database. And like I told you, I'm going to insert records into this table. So I'm going to click on insert, and I'm going to get some certain forms here to insert records. I'll actually like to insert the whole lot of records because I want the output to be very rich. So I would like to insert up to like 10 records. So I'm going to click on restart insertion with let me show you that place again. I know you might not have noticed. You said insert reset insertion width, then you can choose the number of rows you wish to insert. Okay, so all these multiple forms that you are seeing here, each of them are rows. Okay, so this is for a particular row, and this is for another particular row, and this is for another particular row, and so on. So for the serial number over here, I'm gonna put 1. Okay, and then for the invoice number here, I'm gonna say is 1001. Okay, then the description, I want to sell, let's say, chicken. Okay, and the sales price is gonna be 12,000. The amount paid is gonna be 12,000, and then the quantity is gonna be 1. The discount is gonna be 0.0. All these guys are double, so I'll just simply put 0.0. Okay, and the customer name is going to be, let's say, Mrs. Ekpe. Okay, then I'm going to add another one, another sales record. But usually information like this is usually entered through the application level, but however, I just wanted to demonstrate how to query these records and print it out. Remember, that's just what I wanted to do, so I need to enter some of these records manually. Okay, so I'm gonna enter the second record, so I'll call this S1002. Okay, then I'm gonna put the description. The description, I'm selling crocker medium. Okay, and the sales price is gonna be 15,000, and then the amount paid is gonna be 15,000, and the quantity is gonna be 1. The discount is gonna be 0.0, and then the customer's name is going to be let's say Larry. Okay, I'm not gonna make you watch me insert all the 10 records, so I'm gonna pause this video, and when I'm done inserting all the records, then I'm gonna unpause the video and show you what to do next. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this video for now, and then you see me when I'm through in the next few seconds. Okay, all right, I just finished entering the 10th record. Here's the 10th record. So I just want you folks to note that I made a mistake in the before I paused, because the serial number I entered 1 here, so I realized that and quickly changed it to 2. If you entered 1, if you were following me exactly verbatim this tutorial, you have to change this to 2, because the query is not gonna go, because the serial number is the primary key, and the primary key does not allow the duplicate entries. Okay, so you can take a view of the products that I entered. You don't necessarily have to enter exactly the same thing that I entered. Okay, I just came up with this information. It could have been anything. It's just what came out on my mind. So once I'm done, okay, so now that I'm done, I'm gonna click on go, and all these records will be inserted in the sales records table. So this, if you click on the go button, don't click on the reset button. Okay, so I click on go, and and you can see it says 10 rows inserted. Okay, this is the SQL query to insert all those 10 rows, and if you want to see the records, you can click on browse, and then you can see all the records in a very nice tabular form. So what we want to do is to write a program to query these records and put it out in a HTML web page that is formatted to our own taste. So I hope that's going to be interesting enough for you guys. So you're going to see me on the next tutorial.